INHD has run up a huge gain. Intraday high in this session 6.24. Today is Monday, the 25th of August 2025. Current gain is 294%. We haven't found any fresh news, but we know that when it reported its earnings outcomes, it was an explosive one. Forget about what's been written here. Some of it is not current. So watch carefully. Risk opportunities and risks. Um, okay, let's see. Bottom line. Dramatic price action today stemmed from impressive events. Not really okay. So, but what we know is that the stock. I think there's the reason amongst other things it has a low float, and when there's a low float, it is difficult to borrow the stock to short. You understand what I mean? It's difficult to borrow the stock to short, and you can imagine that people who are shorting these, for instance, let's just say funds, they're the ones shorting the stocks. For instance, they are the ones in the majority, or they are the ones in the majority, are the ones to short INHD. When it come, they want to short maybe not 200. They want to short hundreds of thousands. You understand what I mean? So when the first has come and done so, all those kind of things, then there are nothing to buy. But the regular folks want to buy 1, 2, 1, 1. Let's just see what's going on. You can see people are buying 1, 8. This see the time. These are the lots that are driving this price. These guys are aggressive. They are. You can see the price is going on at the right at the market, right at the market, right at the market. That's aggression. If you place your order at the market, anything you see, it goes. So if every retail hand is placing one, 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, lots, once it goes through, and then the logic sees that there's a huge backlog of orders coming through for it to satisfy that order. It has to, or to clear its backlog, to clear that backlog, the price has to go up. Demand is there. So, demand drives the price. So it will keep on rising, keep on rising. Amongst other things, it also wants to eliminate the orders that are not strong enough. They're not convinced enough, amongst other things. So yeah, that is what happens as well. This is, if you didn't know, this is clearly one case where low floats affects the cost to borrow. You may have been reading it, you may have been hearing it. It is true. It is the truth. If a stock has a low float, it is going to cost a lot for short sellers to borrow. So when they place the orders, they may not go through because there isn't enough. Especially it doesn't matter when you come. If you succeed in shorting it earlier on, when you come back later on, you may not be able to succeed. And when you don't succeed, the or people who are long, they keep on pushing the price because their orders are going through. You understand what I mean? The short is important, if you like, because it helps to dampen it. But if they are not going through, the prices continue to go up. And as I mentioned, you can see how tiny these lots are. 3, 5, 16. These are tiny lots. They drive the aggression. The volume is thin. It thins out the market. So those who want to buy at lower prices can't get in. They just have to wait. Let me see whether we have anybody. You can see somebody here. They want to buy here. They want to buy here. They can't get in because there's aggression there. So they are thinning out the market. They are thinning out the market, even though we can see, yeah, you can see the market is there, but yeah, not a lot, but it could be more. It could be more. It could be more. So that's what's going on. That is what's going on with SINHD. So we have already seen intraday high of 6.24. So that's an upper projection. There are no upper projections here on the 4-hour chart. It's a down projection. We have 1.38. And the good thing about this owning the stock is that there's a good chance that you may earn some money from, because short sellers are here and they are trying to shares to short. So if they succeed in shorting, they will be paying interest, and they pay interest to the people who are holding stocks. So you find out that if you check your accounts, there's money coming from INHD, but INHD doesn't pay dividends. It is from short selling. It is from short selling. Sometimes it could be handsome. It could be a handsome sum. But the fact is that there's one of the odds that you're going to put $20,000 in INHD, not very high. So if you know, that's also why some of these funds, you see that sometimes they may have a stake in INHD worth $5 billion because they earn money from it. They earn money from it. So if they have $5 million worth of IND stocks and you are coming to borrow that at a rate of 57%, can you see that they are making money? You can see that. You can see that. So that's also why they buy some of these stocks. If you launch your own company and float it, it doesn't matter. It may not really matter if your fundamentals are right. What is 5 million to JP Morgan? Nothing. They put $5 million in your company and leave it there. They know short sellers may be coming. You're not going to pay them dividends, but when short sellers come, they make money. They make money. And it doesn't matter whether, as far as you've shorted the stock, it doesn't matter whether you gain or your interest is clocking up. Just like your credit card or your debt. So here we have an immense amount of a trend of trend mode on the stocks on the 10 and 21 period moving averages. Yeah, unbelievable stuff. Let's see what the daily chart is saying. I don't think it doesn't have it's not been around long enough. Yeah, we have 1.38. Yeah, but we do have 9.35, 5.02 as of 9th of May. Yeah. Yeah, we could see higher projections. Yeah, I keep forgetting the 1 minute chart. We might be able to see higher projections. We have here 6.24. Yeah, we do have, we should have. We have a 6.24 as well. Yeah. I don't think we have anything higher than that. 6.24, 7.8, 7.15, 7.8, 8.20. 6.24 as well. 6.91, 7.45, 5.81. Yeah. Okay, so just have a look and see what you make of INHD, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.